We go. When? Hello. Here we are for the Nerf war. You remember about 4 or 5 months ago, me and the terrible James Cooper battled it out in a massive Nerf war. And I clearly won because I was by far the best. So we are going to have ourselves Nerf War Part 3. James the Jack the Great for my new haircut, you just like to say. So,
The nice terrible young girl.
here we
I'm
are.
going swimming after this.
We're going to our house tomorrow. So, yeah, right. Stop it. You're firing. Oh! 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 No! Oh my God! You shooting? Wow, she failed. I'm clearly winning so far. Oh, it's down. Oh! 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 I'm winning so far. Oh! No! Oh! Oh! I'm out.
So am I. I'm getting way wrong than the worst thing ever.
I am so better here. I am completely dominating. You can clearly see I am my father best. I still. So,
This isn't the best.
subscribe to me and you can comment to ask if I should do Tuesday News the second. That's by far my most popular event in the TV era web history. In the put that your Tuesday News video in the comments and subscribe as well. Because this is the best part. Subscribe. No, I have loaded and he is not. Ow!